Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the simplest way to mute and unmute audio in Microsoft Teams in 2025. Whether you're in a big meeting or a quick call, knowing this trick will help you stay professional and keep your meetings noise-free. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a super fast shortcut that makes muting a breeze. Access Microsoft Teams. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams website. Make sure you're signed in with your account. Once signed in, you'll land on your Teams dashboard where you can access chats, calls, and meetings. Join or start a meeting. To join a meeting, look at the video camera icon at the top of your Teams interface. Click it, then select Start Meeting to enter the meeting environment. You're now ready to control your audio. Inside the meeting, you'll see a microphone icon. Click this icon to mute or unmute yourself. When the mic has a line through it, your audio is muted. Click it again to unmute. Simple, right? The quick shortcut trick. Here's the real game changer. Instead of clicking your mic every time, you can use a keyboard shortcut. Just press Ctrl plus Shift plus M at the same time. This toggles your microphone on and off instantly. No hunting for the button, no fumbling during an important discussion, just fast, seamless control. Why unmute matters. Why is this so important? First, it keeps your meetings professional. Nobody wants background noise while someone is speaking. Second, it reduces distractions, helping everyone focus. And finally, it lets you jump into the conversation quickly. You can unmute instantly when you have something to say. And that's it. A simple, quick, and professional way to manage your audio in Microsoft Teams. Use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus M and you'll never worry about background noise again. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Teams tip again. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.